Welcome to Leeds College, Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I'm a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at Leeds College English Department. In my today's lecture, I will focus on ETEA MCQs, which are related to tense sequence in the clauses in the sentences. Right here we have MCQs. Miss Saima liked Ahmad better than. Now we have the principal clause, also called main clause, but we are missing the subordinate clause, means subordinate clause within the statement is missing. Now in options we have the subordinate clause, including number 1, she likes me, number 2, she will like me, number 3, she liked me, and number 4, she had liked me. Now right from the options we have to pick the correct clause, means subordinate clause that agrees with the principal clause. But before that, we need to clear what kind of tense sequence we have and what kind of conjunction links the principal clause with the main clause. If you look at the sentence, the first clause, Miss Saima liked Ahmad better, is the principal or the main clause having simple past tense. But this main clause has been isolated from the subordinate clause by using conjunction than. Now the logical point is, if we have the principal or main clause having simple past tense isolated from the subordinate clause by using conjunction that, the subordinate clause will have simple present tense. Now we are clear with this point that if the principal clause has simple past tense isolated from the subordinate clause by using conjunction that, the subordinate clause must have simple present tense. Now we're going to apply this logical point on the options. Option number 1, she likes me, as the correct option, because this is the subordinate clause being expressed in simple present tense. Option number B is wrong. She will like me is the subordinate clause having future simple tense, isn't it correct? Option number C is also incorrect. She liked me in the subordinate clause has simple past tense, doesn't agree with the formula. And number D, she had liked me, as the past perfect tense. Now MCQs number 2 is I study that I. Now the sentence also contains two clauses. Number 1, I study, as the main or principal clause has been isolated from the subordinate clause I through using conjunction that. Now which option grammatically agrees with the statement? We have 4 options. Number 1, might pass the examination is incorrect. Number B, might be pass the examination is also incorrect. Option number C, may pass the examination is the correct option. But the question arises, why option C grammatically agrees with the statement? The logical point is that if we have 2 clauses, number 1, the principal clause and subordinate clause. If within a sentence, if the subordinate clause showing purpose must be expressed in simple present tense. If you look the tense right here, I study is the principal clause having simple present tense. But if we ask the questions, why I study, what is the purpose of studying? The purpose of studying is to pass the examinations, mean the subordinate clause introduces the purpose, passing the examinations or qualify the examination. Now coming to discuss the clue, that if the subordinate clause expresses purpose or introducing purpose, must have simple present tense. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.